So I'm going to say I'm fitting my boat here right now, and I know many of you guys are probably having problems in cleaning mold and mildew. I had mold and mildew in this boat like all over. Like you could see the mildew is like in the material itself, and these are not like easily cleaned, but I managed to clean this thing as super clean as possible. Like this. Like all around the steering wheel was black with mildew, and I'm not quite even finished yet. Like look at here. It's black. And I actually go and I bought this product here. This product right here, and I managed to get this thing off my boat like instantly without no scrubbing. I put some in a spray bottle, and this is actually what mildew look like. And this is a spray bottle I did right here. I'm gonna do this video short, but I'm gonna make it on point so you guys kind of see what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna spray a little bit on this. This chair was completely destroyed, so I sprayed a little bit on this, and you could see the mildew on this chair like all over. And we're gonna watch it for a little while, as there's no scrubbing, no nothing I'm gonna do to this chair. And that's kind of what I did throughout this boat. I didn't do any scrubbing. I just literally applied the spray, and after I applied the spray, I let it sit, and then I hose it off with the hose right there. So we're watching this mildew right here. It's mold, and this has been a pain for a lot of boat owners, like the mold and the mildew and all that stuff, to get it out. Like, come on, it's a boat. It's gonna get mildew if you don't store it properly. But as you're watching, you're seeing that this boat here, the mildew, it's dissolving. I don't know if you guys are seeing this, but if you find this video helpful, you can like and subscribe to this channel. That's all I'm asking. I can share more tips with you guys, and I find something good. But this channel is all about traveling and sightseeing. But here you go. This is what happened with this chair. Like, did you see the difference? It just literally dissolved everything. Dissolved completely. Like it's just insane, like what this thing does. Like, the mold and the mildew is gone, and that's what it happened to this whole boat. This boat was like black with mildew, and now this is what you got here. So I'm gonna hose it off a little bit, and I'm gonna take, this is not slow motion, this is not like I waited or anything. I hose it off, and that's what you get with your boat. I just spray a little bit of water, and I hose this thing off, and it's gone. And all that mold and mildew that you see, like, it was like this. It was bad. It was bad. It's so bad that it's like in the pores of the boat, and those things are not easily come out. You can't take them out. It was everywhere in this boat, and this boat is gonna look like all brand new again because of that chemical that I used. It's crazy. But I hope you guys find this 5-minute video helpful, and if it's helpful, you can like and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can ask me. So that's all for now, guys. Thanks.